Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Conquer. Conquer means overcome and take control of place or people by military force. For example, the Magyars conquered Hungary in the Middle Ages. The Magyars conquered Hungary in the Middle Ages. Synonyms: defeat, beat, vanquish.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. By controlling the countryside, they conquered the towns. Now, repeat after me. By controlling the countryside, they conquered the towns. The second exemplar. Traditional Chinese medicine is destined to conquer the world. Now, repeat after me. Traditional Chinese medicine is destined to conquer the world. The third exemplar. Another Dark Lord has risen to conquer the world. Now, repeat after me. Another Dark Lord has risen to conquer the world.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The following sentence contains all 26 letters of the alphabet. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence is often used to test typewriters or keyboards.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.